Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your HP Instant Ink account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your computer or phone is connected to the internet. Open your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. Click the address bar at the top of the browser window. Type Instant Ink, connected, and press enter on your keyboard. Wait for the HP Instant Ink website to fully load on your screen. Look for the sign-in button on the page and click or tap it. If you are asked to choose a region or country, select your correct location. On the sign-in page, find the email address field. Click or tap the email field to activate it. Type the email address you used when you created your HP account. Next, find the password field on the same page. Click or tap the password field to activate it. Type your HP account password carefully, respecting uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to see what you are typing, use the Show Password icon if available. Double-check that there are no extra spaces before or after your email or password. Now click or tap the Sign-in button to continue. Wait a few seconds while HP verifies your login information. If the site asks for a verification code, open your email or phone messages and find the code. Enter the verification code on the website and confirm to finish signing in. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link on the sign-in page. Enter your email address and follow the password reset instructions sent by HP. After resetting your password, return to the sign-in page and log in again. Once logged in, check that your printer is listed in your Instant Ink dashboard. Click your printer name to view plan details and cartridge shipment status. Go to Account or Profile settings to confirm your contact and shipping information is correct. If you manage multiple printers, switch between them using the printer selector in the dashboard. For a smoother experience, consider saving the site as a bookmark for faster access next time. When you are finished, log out if you are using a shared or public device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.